Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. Today I am going to set up my June monthly in my new 2022 Erin Condren Life Planner in the Just My Type vertical format. So a couple things before I go ahead and get started. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you guys for all of your love and support. You guys have been super duper amazing. So, and if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications. That way you are notified every time I upload another video. Excuse me. Well, I know you see November 2022. Well, I used October 2022 for May, and now I'm going to be using November 2022 for June. I was going to say July, but no, June. So I have a kit here from Cupcakes and Stickies, and it is very cute. All of her kits are adorable. This is one of her monthly kits. And I love her format because it's very simple. It gives you elegant but simple. And this is the format. It is in silver foil. And I love, these are my favorite flowers. Although I don't know what the name of them are, but these are some of my favorite flowers. And then she has some of the days of the week here, or days of the month. So I'm going to put this together. And I will speed through this. And I'll be right back. And then we'll just set up our dashboard pages. Okay, so this is what the monthly looks like so far. That silver is so pretty. And what I usually do with this is I usually do like a highlight of the day. So I'll come in and I'll do like a highlight of the day. I need to finish May. Actually, I didn't do May because I wasn't in my horizontal. I was doing it in my horizontal, but I usually just do like a highlight of the day, something that happened or something very nice that happened, or you know, something that the kids did that was very special to me. So now let's set up my dashboard. Now my dashboard, this is something I decided to do. I decided to do anything that I purchased related to anything planner related. I'm going to put on this particular page right here. Okay, I'm going to put that on this page, and then I'm just going to journal in this particular section. This particular section will be reserved for birthdays. The kits I will be using throughout the month, and then I'm going to try to keep up with my social media platform. So my hand lettering is crap. I'm just gonna put it out there. It is crap. I need to practice more. So I went ahead and I just drew some lines with the pencil, and I'm going to grab an eraser here. Got a 3-pack I've never opened. I'm gonna grab an eraser and I'm gonna erase the line and then go over it with a marker, because you can see the outline of the pencil, and I'm just gonna do that with like a black marker. And I'm going to put all of those things right there. And as you can see, I have some stuff that I have already purchased. Yeah, and it was from May 28th and then the 30th. So I did purchase the agenda from Erin Condren. So I got a lot of like dashboards. It looks like a lot, but all of these are not stickers. These are like dashboards and things that I brought. I did buy a couple of kits. I kind of went ham on gold mine and cocoa. Yeah, I kind of went a little bit in, but that sticker haul is coming, so just be on the lookout for it. I'm excited. So let's go ahead, stop all the rambling, and we're gonna set these 2 pages up.
At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
All right, you guys, this is what the monthly look like. And again, I use this at like a excuse me, monthly highlights section of my planner. And then this is what the planner purchases look like, and I'm gonna put those in here shortly. Yeah. And I kind of messed up the washi right here, but it's okay. And the little small kit that I use is from Exquisite Soul. This was part of their sorority kit, but I like the colors in it, so I was like, you know what, I can just leave the sorority part out of it. Not my sorority, but another sorority. So I like the color, so I just decided to use that for June. And then I just wrote in journal, birthdays, and kits with this tool. I think this is like Midnight Blue Pen. These circle stickers came from Erin Condren. You could purchase these separately on the website, and I'll leave a link to all of this stuff below. And excuse me, the June script and the icons came from Cupcakes and Stickies. So yeah, that is how this is gonna go today, or for this video. You guys, I'm sorry, I am all over the place, but I love the way this turned out. And as you can see, I whited out all the holidays or things for November of 2022. This is another look at the Cupcakes and Stickies. Right now, she is trying to get rid of all of her kits, so she's having a very good sale if they're not all gone. If she still has that sale, look in the description box below. I'll have a link to her website. And I have a link to Exquisite Soul as well. And I accidentally ripped the doll right here, but it's okay. It's cool. She came together with class and grace. So I'm really satisfied at how this came out, you guys. I absolutely love it. I'm liking this. So this may be how I use the dashboard and the line notebook page right here. You know, kind of keep up with all of my planner purchases. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this particular video. And again, if you are new, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. If you are returning, thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. And that is it for this particular video. And in the meantime, in between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye.